The toad once again got out of the truck. She looked underneath it and looked at the back. She searched through the fields, her eyes on the ground. What could be making such a strange sound? But when she opened the trailer and saw a black furry puppy curled up on the floor with two floppy ears and sharp little claws, covered in berries from head to paws. "Aw," said the toad, "there you are, catching a ride from afar. What's your name, little dog?" "I'm Terry the Toad, not a frog."
"I'm not sure. I'm too small,"
said the pup.
"Can you give me a name and a rub? Can you sing me your beautiful song? Can I howl, squeal, or whistle along?"